Heal your joints naturally. Foods, movement, and daily habits. Welcome back, Healthy Club fans. Do your knees ache when climbing stairs, or do your fingers feel stiff in the morning? By the age of 60, the body can lose up to 75% of its collagen, the key protein that keeps joints flexible. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to protect, repair, and strengthen your joints, naturally. Stay until the end, because the #1 food that restores joints works faster than most supplements. Collagen decline begins at 25. Every year, your body produces less. Cartilage wear and tear. Think of it as the shock absorber in your joints. When it thins, bones rub together. Inflammation cycle. Poor diet, plus toxins, chronic inflammation, enzymes break down cartilage faster. Lifestyle triggers. Obesity adds pressure. Dehydration dries out cartilage. Lack of movement makes joints rusty. People who sit for over 8 hours a day have significantly higher rates of joint stiffness than active individuals. Collagen builders, bone broth, natural collagen and minerals, citrus, kiwi, bell peppers, vitamin C, collagen production. Egg whites, rich in proline. Anti-inflammatory allies. Turmeric plus black pepper, curcumin absorption up to 2000%. Ginger blocks inflammatory pathways. Green tea, EGCG, reduces cartilage breakdown. Salmon, sardines, chia seeds, flax seeds, reduce joint swelling. Minerals, zinc and copper, connective tissue repair. Magnesium, muscle relaxation. Pomegranate extract reduces oxidative stress in joints, lowering arthritis symptoms. Are you finding this helpful? Stick around, because in the next section, I'll reveal one habit that protects your joints better than supplements. And if you're enjoying this, don't forget to hit like so YouTube knows to show this to more people. Are you finding this helpful? Stick around, because in the next section, I'll reveal one habit that protects your joints better than supplements. And if you're enjoying this, don't forget to hit like so YouTube knows to show this to more people. Part 3. Movement and joint longevity. 4:30. 6:30. Synovial fluid lubricates joints only when you move. Best exercises: swimming, zero impact, full range of motion. Cycling, strengthens without pounding knees. Yoga, Pilates, increases flexibility, balance, and alignment. Strength training, muscle protects joints. Example: strong quads reduce knee pressure. Micro movements, standing every 30 minutes lowers stiffness and inflammation markers. Fun fact: NASA found astronauts in zero gravity lose cartilage thickness fast, showing joints need regular pressure and movement to stay healthy. Sleep. Deep sleep. Growth hormone release, collagen, plus tissue repair. Stress and cortisol. Chronic stress. Higher inflammation. Joint flare-ups. Weight impact. For every extra 10 lbs, knees feel an additional 40 lbs of force when walking. Losing just 5% of body weight reduces knee pain by up to 50%. Hydration. Cartilage is 65 to 80% water. Even mild dehydration stiffens joints. Mindset shift. It's not about running marathons, it's about consistent habits. Walking, stretching, mindful eating. Small daily wins keep joints young. Reveal. Bone broth or hydrolyzed collagen powder. Packed with amino acids, glycine, proline, hydroxyproline, rebuild cartilage. People taking collagen peptides for 3 to 6 months reported less pain and improved flexibility. Plant-based option, vitamin C plus silica combo, bananas, cucumbers, oats, helps the body naturally make collagen. Strong joints aren't built overnight. It's about daily choices: nutrition, movement, rest, and hydration. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to stay active and pain-free for life.